Hello, chat. Good morning. How are we doing today? What the? Thank God. Finally, what the fuck? Chat, I hope you're doing well. Oh, stretch. Apparently I haven't stretched enough this morning. If you do not know... I don't know how to start out the live stream today, boys. Fucking close this. Alright, apparently I have a bunch of fucking stuff open. Get this chromium shit off. I'm still cleaning up, still getting ready. Sort of not. I'm almost ready. I'm almost not. Anyways, boys. Alright, let's get this stream started. Alright, so, my name is Kailoulou, and I am the founder and lead creative director at Far All Studios. And what exactly are we developing? Well, I will tell you. We are developing Penumbras. It is a narrative-driven, tile-based RPG where you command a squad of Inquisitor unicorn deer who are fighting eldritch abominations in order to recover evidence to hunt down the most recently convicted heretic known as Callisto. And we're currently doing our pre-dev build. Getting this ready for some multiple showcases that we are planning to be part of. Oh fuck. Whatchamacallit? I just realized that I have something else to do. Alright, I'll just do it later. Regarding stuff. I am a hot mess today. What the hell, dude? But you know what? Screw it! Let's get out of this mess. Last time we left off, we... Oh, yeah, we were working on UI stuff in the home base. Dude, what the fuck was I working on? Hold on. Oh, we were working on the evidence reader. And then what else was I working on? No. Submit content. Let's see what stuff I was working on. Oh, yeah, I was working on the level sequences and the main menu and all that stuff. Okay. Dude, it has been a fucking weekend. Oh, let me tell you about that. Goodness. Goodness. Alright. Oh, I mean, like, Thursday and Friday, it was just spent at this virtual conference, the GDC showcase, and I was just networking with a bunch of devs, dude. And it's like, it's one thing to be chatting with you guys, and then it's another to be talking shop and talking business and all that time. And like, my introverted self, it makes me so tired. I'm such an introvert. But actually, it's just like, at the end of like Friday, I was just like, I took a nap during the day, which is unprecedented. Well, it's not unprecedented, but it's very rare that it happens. If I take a nap, that means I am dog tired. But dude, I had lasagna Friday night. That shit was in the oven for an hour, and like, that shit was in the oven for an hour, and like it was warming up and all that, and like I woke up as, hey, tabletop. I woke up and, yeah, but anyways, enough rambling, enough rambling and yapping. You guys are here to see me suffer. Oh, Halloween falls on a Thursday. I don't know who I should do a costume of. Who should I do a costume of on Halloween? That's a good question. But disregard that thought. We are now going to do, we're gonna do more programming. I'd be lucky if my body let me do that. Napping? I mean, you do it kind of every night. Sleep is just a long form nap. Just a hardcore nap, you know? Okay, so today what we are going to be doing is that we are going to we're going to work on some camera controls. Back to day nap. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. Maps. All right. We are going to home base. Oh, give me a home base. And then I don't know why. I don't care. Don't care. All right. And then player start. Where's the controller? Give me my controller. There we go. Alright, we've got the controller set up and everything, chat. So, yeah, alright. So last we left off, yeah, and then I gotta open up my second project. Forgive me, my computer, but I must open up a second project. Library, and then we're gonna do the heat bar game. Oh, excuse me. Blah, blah, blah. You know, this lo-fi ain't helping me, brother. No, I do not want to launch. I have 3 Unreal Engine editor. There will be blood, shed. It would be really fun to do this heat bar game once I have fucking time to do it. Actually, maybe not. Who knows? Who knows, chat? Alright. Close this project. And then you guys are gonna not see it on Look at that. What the fuck is wrong with me today? I couldn't fall asleep last night. That's probably why. Or should I say, this morning. Okay. Alright. Actually, I am. And then characters. No, that's not it. Blueprint. Third person. Blueprint. Give me my third person character. We are going to continue working on this. Okay, so here, let me just introduce you what's going on. So this is... So part of the issue is... You know what? Part of the issue is here is that you really can't see it, but right now, if I try to hold the W key, it brings me up more this way. If I hold the S key, it's that. But instead, it should be doing this when I hold down the W key. So, because right now, what I want to do is I want to make this... people to be able to be able to pan through the map of the holy city of Servane. And so right now, one, I gotta clamp this controller, and two, I gotta figure out the controls for this, so. Yeah, so this isn't the best controller, so to say. Because I can zoom in. Oh, that's fun stuff, but yeah. So, let's figure this out, chat. Alright, so we've got the home base here. We've got this map, and we're gonna figure this out. So, if we do this, handle map camera movement. So, how we've organized this is that we've done event begin play. So this is beginning the start, and this gets camera to the first position. It can't move. And then get actor of class. Get actor of class. Map location. Get actor location. Map X. Yeah. Had 200 to that, and then for the tick, why the fuck are we doing this? Oh, yeah. This is expensive. This is expensive as fuck. Don't fix this. Fix this later. The reason why is that you shouldn't do a casting on ticks, because it's very expensive. Why? I don't know. Unreal just says that it does. It'd probably benefit me if I understood why. Probably parsing the game world. It's like, oh, parsing the game world. Yeah, it parses the game world. It's like, okay, find this. Find this. Oh, no, it probably checks the parameters. Like, oh, 1-to-1. This is like what it is. 1-to-1. Memory address and blah, blah, blah. So then player app. So if... But yeah, we need to get game mode and then target player at map. And then players there. And then we branch that. And then we do the handle camera. Map input. Okay. And then we get the mouse position on viewport. Mouse... So that sets the mouse Y and the mouse X. And then, which then we cast to the BP home-based camera. Why do we do this? This goes nowhere. What are you? Pawn, apparently. And so then, this pawn, we get the location of that. We had nothing, apparently. And then we literally interpolate this. What the fuck is this code, guys? What is this code? Like, I don't understand. This is an average programming moment. It's like, what is this code? What does it even do? I wrote this code. Okay, we're gonna clean this up a little bit. This, all this. Get over here. And then... Ah, I see. So this graph. So this is the zooming. This is the zooming functionality. It sets the target arm length. Yep. Yep. Dude. What the hell? Okay. So stay-at-home dev says like, okay, this, and this, and this. So, input action, home base, rotate map left, minus Z, yeah. Excuse me. Camera movement forwards. Okay. Input action, home base, move map up, camera movement. I don't understand. You know what this calls for, chat? This calls for a quick Google search. Please. Please. Alright. Relative movement of pawn. Movement of pawn relative to camera angle UE5. when you're getting the forward, right, and up vectors, you should be getting that of the camera instead of the player actor itself. Oh, okay. Okay. So what's going on here is that, yep, set actor location transformation. So you see all this, we're getting the camera pawn, shit. And so what we need to do instead is that we need to get the forward vector of the camera. Does that make sense? So I've got it. So say I'm a person and I'm navigating a 3D space, and I've got a camera floating above me, which are my eyes. So, in the way in which we perceive, so essentially what's happening is that the movement of the pawn right now, the person is just moving forward, and the camera can rotate all around. So it's not my eyes, but rather it's a camera. What I need to do, I need to make the camera my eyes instead of the player pawn being those eyes. So what we need to do is that we need to grab the vectors. The vectors for the camera. And so and then what that's going to do is that boom, boom, and boom. Look at this. I should so become an artist. So right now the camera is viewed down like this. Camera is viewed down like this, and it needs to govern the movement. So that's the pitch. So regardless of, so we just need to grab forward vectors of this. So boom, boom. All right, time to make magic happen. Okay, so we're gonna get the camera. And this is the pawn. I see. Camera, forward. Get forward vector. So what we're going to do handle cam. So what we're going to do is that we're going to handle forward. So we're going to get this. I'm going to move this up here. So I don't have to deal with all this visual clutter shit. So we're going to get the forward vector. Let me absolutely sure. Unreal. What is a forward up vector? The direction that is straight in front of the actor based on its root component. Right, direct to the right facing. Post number 3. So these directions are relative to the rotation. Oh, okay. That makes a whole lot of sense. Yeah. So we get the forward vector. And then what we do get forward vector, and then get actor, new camera pawn, get actor, location. And then what we could do is that we split this. Nope, I don't want to promote this to a variable. Nope, fuck off. We split the struct pin on this. So okay, so if we get the so the camera of the home base camera pawn, we are getting the forward vector for that, and then so if I'm getting the camera and like that this is my forward vector. This goes forward. So we've got what does new camera pawn do? Event begin play, get player pawn. Okay. Where is camera pawn defined? Okay, yeah, no, we're gonna clean this up. Event begin play, camera pawn, set that, boom, boom. Boom. Oh. I see what it does. Pawn. And then what? Oh. So then we get the camera movement. That's kind of like our velocity. So we break the vector. And then we add these? Add. Let's just try it. Add. That's associative, so that doesn't matter. And then add. Add and add. And then set actor relative location and rotation, and then do this, boom and boom. We split this struct pin. That's the X, and here's the Y, and then why did you do that? we struck this. And then... Oh. 300. Get the new Z, and then pitch is minus 40. Minus 40. Roll. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Play this. Man. I am not doing too hot right now, chat. Okay, so an example of this is if the actor with a capsule component as a root component is a direction. You, Unreal, you are a fucking idiot. No, I don't want. Okay, that's probably why. It's pulling up the camera movement in the forward vector. So, what I could do is I could get position, get actor location, split this struct pen, then do X, Y, do this. Okay. So So now this is moving up and down. So I can move this up and down and scroll it, all that stuff. So, why exactly is the rotator working? Ah. So then we do this. There we go. Look at that. It's moving. So we've solved that. Now it just keeps on going. So, look at that, chat. We're doing so good. Oh, hello, Quiv. Glad to have you here, my guy. Glad to have you here. You have got me into the great time. I am here creating the home base player camera. And now it now works. I have to linearly interpolate. Alright, trying to figure this out. So, camera movement, normalize, min camera speed, max camera speed. Linearly interpolate that, lerp it, multiply that. So, we've got relative movement now. Which is huge. Actually, pretty huge, dude. Clean this up. This is a fucking mess. This is a fucking mess. I hate it. Disgusting. Clean you up. Get active rotation. Put this down here. This down here. Down here. Put that there. It works. That works for the time being. It's really jank, but oh well. Alright, so we've got actor, location, and rotation, and we set that, and then all of this can go bye-bye. Break this link. And then, so... Okay, I see. I see why it's doing that. So if we do a bit more math here. So, normalize camera movement, that tells me the camera, that's how much I need to move. Yummers. Let's see. See if this does anything. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna do that. Nope. Camera movement's fucking me over. So if I get the forward vector, what I could do is that all of this, I could make this a simple, like, Boolean. You know, let's try a Boolean. Event begin play, and then input action. Let's just do forward. Pressed key down. Key down. And we set that to true. And then handle map controls, branch on key down. And on released. Just duplicate that. There we go, chat. I literally, this thing was over-engineered. So, yeah, so we're gonna fix this. Boom, 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 boom. That's solved. It's probably as best as I can. Let's see. Oh, never mind. Nope, it is not. Not yummers. Nope, it is not solved, unfortunately. So, we are going to be... You thought... Nope. So we got relative forward. So, okay. So then... Okay, so here's the thing about that. So, we've got all of that done. So, if we do left and right... Yeah. So, what all of this can do, I'm thinking this out right now, chat. Chat. Well, I'm thinking this out. Why don't you tell me how your day's going? Is it going well? Is it going poorly? You happy to be here, or are you not happy to be here? If you're not happy to be here, then you're probably not here. You're probably somewhere else, but still. How's it going for y'all? How's it going for y'all? Okay. You know what I can do instead? It's been a good morning so far. I love coming to stream. Yeah, well, thank you, man. I am glad you really like these streams. Yeah, aside from me just kind of going, whatchamacallit? So, BP home base camera pawn. Yeah, so let me paint this out. So, I have a forward vector. I have a right vector. And then with these, I can just multiply them by -1. That's not x minus 1. Y minus 1. That resolves the x minus 1, y minus 1 vector. So what that means is that I'd have to, from my was the, I'd have to handle these different movements, and I have to delegate them to different functions from each of the input actions in that. So then that means boom, 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 boom. So that means that I can do input, new parameter, scalar, multiplier. This is going to be a float, and the default value for this is actually going to be 1.0. Multiplier. Bring you in, bring you down. Is key down. And then the multiplier. Reroute node, and then, so what this is, multiply, so then that's the roll. Multiply this and this, boom and boom. So this is the new that, and then this is the new X. So, and there's that, and then with these, I'd have to whatchamacallit? And then input. So is key down, movement pressed. So is key down, yes. Okay. On key pressed. And then for this actually makes it better. So I no longer have to okay, yep. No, I still have to do that. That's a tick verification. So that's making sure that I'm actually at the map. And so then from here, Hmm. Um. So what I can do is I make this a variable, and then this is like do direction y sub multiplier, and then make this a float, and then this sets it. One point oh, and then oh wait, no, that's minus 1.0. And it sets that back to 1.0. What does this do? Let's try this. Whoa. Whoa. Jeez. Jeez. What's going on? Handle map cam. Where am I? What position are you at? Alright, sorry. So it appears to be resetting for some reason. Oh. So that's weird. When it goes negative, it just goes fucking bazonk. Interesting. Yeah, so that's pretty interesting. So if we get the mouse viewport, set mouse Y, blah blah blah, don't care, don't ask. Is key down? Is it, if the key is down, we get the camera pawn, we get the rotation, get actor, and we multiply that by our new location X. What happens if I just do this? Okay, So we get the forward vector. Woo! Okay. So, yep. So it's this. It, Alright, so we have that. We're figuring all of this out. So if we get this active rotation. Excuse me. Man. Map camera movement. Okay. we add this and this. And we add that, and then boom and boom, X, and then Y. And then boom and boom. Let's try this. Yeah, no, that doesn't work. That's bullshit. That is bullshit. Alright, bye. Die. Okay, new X and Y. Okay, so... I don't know, chat. I don't know, my infinite incompetence or something like that. Alright, so let's fix this. Let's event graph. So we've got an input action home base move map down, which then we can which moves the camera, so the camera forward. So this is handling the camera forward. So what I'm thinking we could just do instead is that we just take all of this, code, and then all of this code, and we just make our own functions for it. So this is like handle map camera movement forward. So we make a delegation. Yeah, and then that on the tick. So if I do like unpressed, let's grab this, handle map camera movement, just boom, do this and disconnect this. What does this do? I feel like I have an idea about what it will do. Oh. I'm back. Stream muted because I had to test out a new music track. Oh, nice, dude. Nice, dude. Okay. I see why we have that. I now see why we have the key, this tick to tick. So it checks that and it's like, okay, fine. So we do this. So what we're going to do is that we're going to delegate this. So what we're going to first do is that we're actually going to do paying for it, but it was worth it. Hell yeah, dude. So what we're going to do is that we're actually going to make this a direction. a direction, and then this is going to be and then what we're gonna do is that we're actually gonna make this a string. What we're gonna do is that we're gonna switch on the string. Switch on string. I don't know a good solution right now. This is just what's immediately coming to my mind. And then forward, backwards, right, and left. You'll have to send it. You'll have to send your music track if you want to in our Discord. I don't think I shared this with you guys. Whatchamacallit? We're gonna make a new function. I have to write a better transition so that I don't assume it. Fair enough. Movement forward. I'm not sure what I got is the final mix, but once I get it, I'll get it. I'll send it. Nice. Nice. Movement backwards, active rotation, get forward vector, and then X value. Oh, I think I realized where I messed up. We need to multiply by -1. And then handle movement. Direction. Alright, so then what this is going to do is I'm going to remove this. Yep. And then event graph. Boom, boom. And then player direction. This is going to be string. And boom, and boom, boom, and then boom, and then forward, and then this is going to be break this link, and then this is gonna do this. No, player direction, forward, backwards, backwards, backwards. No. It would help if I, What? Oh. There we go. There we go, chat. So this is working so far. So we've got that, and then movement forward, movement backwards. Okay, that works. That works for the time being, and then all right. So we've got that. Home base, Cameron, so this is working. Now we just gotta do... Stay out of my shed? Yeah, dude. Whatchamacallit? Hi, Miguel. Hey, hey, hey. Stay out of my shed. Left, and then key down, yep, and then boom, and boom, boom, and boom, boom, boom. Lucy's not around right now. She's actually upstairs, napping away. The old cot. She's such a good dog. You may have actually seen her on stream before. Oof, a lot of lag today. Maybe? I mean, YouTube has had some pretty bad lag issues in the past before. Let me move this up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 seconds. Okay. Did you actually name your dog after E3 Fang? No. No, I did not. No. She was around. She's been around much longer than Snoot has been. View TV. Alright, movement map left. Left. And then new function. Movement left. Movement backwards. So we grab all of this. Boom, 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 and boom. And what we do is that instead of that vector, what we do, so we get the right vector. Get right vector. Split this struct pin, boom and boom. Some Y, boom, and then movement right. Move you over here, boom, and then get right vector, get right vector, and split struct pin, and boom, boom. Alright, brother. Simplify. Alright. And then handle map camera movement left and then right, left, right. Look of him processing. Well, okay. Sure. This is the right. Why you no work? Why aren't you working? Oh, I know why. I know why. Because this is not working. She has sex for money. Register. She has sex for money. Left. Right. What? What? Jester's mom. You know what that means? Fish. Fish. Boys. Okay, so this works somewhat. Now it doesn't accommodate for diagonal movement. Yay! What? So there was a logic for camera movement. It's stupid. Stupid, I say. So there very much was a reason why the What happens if I just do movement backwards? Oh yeah. Kailoulou logic. Sure. So bro. It's okay, so that means this function. And then wonder what I can do with that. That's a good question, chat. I don't know what to do with this. So mouse wheel up, and then home base. Let's see. Mission select. So yay, I can move around. Look at that. You can move around and rotate your camera. Look at that. Holy moly. Yeah. So handle map camera movement, and then new string, and then rotate left, and then rotate right, and then movement, rotate right. And what that means, fish. So we're gonna do this, and then boom, and then boom, 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 boom. Was that 9/11? I can't watch stream. So you switched windows? Wah, wah. No, there was no 9/11. Get forward vector. And then rotate right. Wait, which one do I have right now? Mouse. That's mouse wheel down. Rotate right. Rotate right. Woohoo! Yahoo! Woo! All right. Get actor rotation. Get actor location. I don't need this. I just need this. So. Get root. Split the struct pin, and then Okay. Let's see. So we get actor rotation, and it's like, oh, hey, we're almost done. Yeah. And then we get the event graph, and we rotate the map to the right, and it's like, this is not really good code, but I don't care. Because like, if it works, it works. Does it work well? No, it doesn't, because I don't, because right now I'm just trying to get the shit done. Okay, and then... Rotate right. Whoa! 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 I'm spin. Spin. Wait, what? Spin. What? Oh. What the fuck? Why are you doing that? I am, Yes, it is a deer metropolis. Why the fuck is Q? What? Alright, so why is this not working? So... Wait, hold on. Ugh. Hold on. Okay, yep, it's firing. That's firing. So why is this... Okay, you know what I can do? Just set actor rotation. Oh. Damn it, chat. Okay. Alright, so we've gotten this down. So, the controls are relative now. Now, which is good. What I'm gonna do, we're gonna push really here. Spruced up main menu. Main menu. Add relative controls to map panning. Some vids. Alright, chat. Alright. If you are enjoying the live stream, make sure to like and subscribe. If you are on YouTube, if you are on Twitch, make sure to follow. Okay, thanks. Alright. So those controls are there. Excuse me. Alright. Let us continue. So, we have relative controls. They aren't the best right now. We're gonna clean this up. Bum. Da, 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 da. So, handle map camera movement. Switch on the string, so movement forward, and all that stuff. I think what we will do is that we are going to So we have a choke point in our controls. We can't handle multiple at the same time. It's like, okay, so what direction is the player moving? So we've got that down, and then switch on string. Don't like that solution. So we are gonna handle the map camera movement, and then from here, is there any way we can, like, absolutely... So... it would have to be something similar to what he did. Now I have to... So yeah, so that was a design flaw on my end. I don't like that music. It's too cheery. It's too cheery for what I'm feeling right now. It's absolute distraught. Just... Wah! Wah. Wah. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Hold. Alright. I gotta do something really quick, chat. I gotta do Photoshop shit. Project Penumbras. Marketing items. Physical materials, new stuff. Fuck. Do I seriously not have? Oh, fuck me, dude. Alright. It's dialogue overlay. Reading Photoshop format. Prints. Oh. Great. Control-Alt-I. 512 pixels per inch. Okay. File open. New stuff. Avatar touched up. 72. How crunchy is this? Yeah, that's crunchy. That's crunchy, alright. Fuck. Alright. Alright, so we're gonna work on these prints really quick, because I'm getting pestered for it, and it makes total sense. Yep. Touch this up. Export this. And then we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna go to delete and touch it up. And then, yep, I'm gonna overwrite that, and then close this to save resources. Control O, and then touched up. Control Alt I. I requested 300 pixels per inch. I shall give them. Touch him up, and then we're gonna Control O for gray is touched up, and Control Alt I, and then 300. Control. They've been pestering us, so yep. Alright, open up our Gmail, print keg. Okay, there we go. So we've got that, and so that's sent. They were printer was bugging me because I sent some accident. I thought I sent out. Excuse me. I thought I sent out a sent these files, these print files I'm printing out for our things. Okay. Okay, not right now. Not right now. Not right now, please. Close this. And then do this. Okay. Gonna close this. Nope. 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 Alright. So, we're gonna handle the camera map movement, blah blah blah. Map camera movement. So, funnily enough, previous implementation had a pretty good solution to all of this. And right now, I need to figure out stuff. Yep. Switch on string movement forward, movement backwards, right, left. Rotate left, rotate right. So what I need to do actually So what do all these have in common? Well, get mouse on viewport. So, okay, so what I can do instead okay, so now, alright, so what I'm doing now is that I am working on clearing movement camera. So all of these have just this repeated functionality between it. So I'm getting the vectors. I'm getting the vectors. So what I can do instead is that I can devise a series of variables. So it's like all these vectors are like either 0 or 1. That's the multiplier. And I have my various vectors from my camera. And so whenever the key is set down, this vector is either 0 or 1. It's replaced to 0 or 1, which then communicates to that singular map of like, hey, we are moving this direction now. So what I can do instead is min camera speed. So, okay, here we go. So, handle map camera movement. So we have all of this. Okay, great. I'm just gonna move all of this. So we have all of this. So we have all of this code over here. So we get the mouse view position on the window. I'm gonna break this link. we're gonna handle the map camera. First things first is that we're gonna go into event graph, and we're just gonna do movement forwards. So what we're gonna do is that this is going to be mouse X map. I don't use these variables. Okay, move, movement forward multiplier. So whenever so 1.0, otherwise we set that to 0. But so checks. Okay, I see. And then with the tick, so if like, all right, so I'm just gonna do movement forward. So get position, handle map, camera map, movement. So I'm just gonna move that, and then forward, and then handle camera map, and then this is we're gonna move you a bit forward. And then we're gonna get the movement forward multiplier. And multiply this. Multiply this by this. Movement forward multiplier. Okay, so movement multiplier. So this is movement multiplier, I see. And then move map down. And then movement multiplier, set that to -1. Otherwise, set it to 0. Okay. And then movement, input action, base left, and then movement multiplier. longitude. Okay, so this is going to be lateral movement multiplier. So it's going to be -1. And then key down, movement right. Set that to 1. Did that, and that's 1. Movement right. And so then handle map. So event graph, movement left, lateral movement. Map camera rotation, get forward vector, X. Alright, this is about to be really fucky-wucky. So, if... So... So we get the lateral movement. What happens if I break this link? Oh wait, no. I can't break that. So I have a lateral, so say... I don't know about that, but I can definitely do rotator multiplier. And then, so then